people make some noise. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Good morning, nearly 9, quarter to 9, and today is Valentine Day, so we have something special. We're gonna take some picture for Valentine Day because this is our 10th year of togetherness, and we have a small baby as well. So we are here 15 kilometers away from home to get some picture. Back of me, have many clothes. Anyway, we're gonna have one picture of New Year because not finished yet, and few other some. Let's see. I'm gonna show the picture later after we finished. Now you see, makeup is going on there. This is what I look like now. Look at this girl, look here. Okay, finish our Valentine photo shoot job. going back to home now. Or maybe we're gonna go to eat. We'll see. Anyway, catch you to the next destination. McDonald's is getting hot today. We are here for lunch. Look, hungry people there. And I'm becoming waiter here now. Back to home. We had fun taking photographs. It was okay. We're gonna have photos and some videos next week. I hope they will be okay. Anyway, it is not so like like we must do it, but today is Valentine's Day, so we just want to make a little bit special. Also, it is my 10th year here in China, so just want to take some pictures because of that. Anyway, after that we went to McDonald's and then back to home. It is 1:15 now. This is Nepalese in China. I do vlogs on my lifestyle in Jilin, China. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Then I'm gonna close this vlog. So until that time, have a good time. Bye bye.